we're going to use a white yarn to embroider the name. Start from here. And leave a small tail. Go down here. So we need to do a J. So what I'll do, I'll just leave it a little bit loose, and then in a moment I'll come back and secure it. I don't find them very easy to embroider, but we will do it. I don't mind embroidering when it's on a fabric, but this one is little, I find it a little bit awkward. So what I've done here is just a little bit to keep it as a J rather than a T. Make a small O. At least I always easy. But we did it, probably we did the bear quicker than the embroidery, but the touch is important. As my husband pointed out, this is handmade, so this doesn't matter. It is a little bit wider, it's fine. So now, as we run out of space and we can't put a heart here, we'll do the heart as this teddy bear on the top over there. So I'll show you how to make the heart. So we'll need either red or pink, whichever color you want. I did mine with red. Go from the back. Sometimes you just want to go to the stuff and So I won't do it too high up, so again leave a little tail. So we do straight down one and then diagonally the next row. Then go down here and do diagonally next row. We'll go here again. And then we'll start, we keep going down, but we'll start filling inside the gap here. Do a third one. Finger. So we created our tiny heart. We'll do the same here, secure in a knot. Here's little Joel. Now the last thing is we are going to tie the scarf. We'll put it on the side. So the scarf stretches, it doesn't have to be too long. And here is our gorgeous project. I hope you enjoy this project, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, share and like. See you in the next tutorial.